So we are representing Log9. Log9 is the first company to make cells in India. The first cell manufacturing line we have put it up in Bangalore, and we are going to increase the capacity to 50 megawatt hour very soon. We are offering 10 years of warranty on the packs, and for stationary application we are even offering 15 years of warranty. For Log9 cell to pack level, there is a complete integration of vehicles which we are doing, and we offer packs for 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers, and also we are coming in e-buses. In addition to that, what we are offering is fleet mobility services. Also we have a different arm for that. We are offering our 3-wheelers as on rental basis also. That is also another model which we are working on, and we are also doing cell to pack level integration. That is like we have our own battery packs, and then we are trying to also build a network of charging stations for charging these vehicles. So that is also aligned with the entire business. In addition to that, what we are also offering is a bigger roadmap for electrical vehicle and the fleet integration. That is the thing which we have most important. Yeah. This vehicle. This is a three-wheel vehicles. It is a 6 kilowatt hour battery pack which we have enclosed, and that is a 2-wheeler vehicle. It's a 3-wheel drive. That is also another vehicle. That is a Tata Ace vehicle next to it, which is having 92 kilowatt, 92 volt platform. You can just. So this vehicle is Tata Ace vehicle. It charged within 35 minutes. The important aspect is this battery pack is indigenously developed, and for the freight industry, it will be going to be revolutionary because it has 35 minutes of fast charging in this. In competition to this, people are offering like 1 hour, 2 hours of charging, but our product, this offers 35 minutes of fast charging. It helps them to charge till the time it gets loaded. So in a way, it's like no downtime for the business. And for this is the new kind of vehicle which we are working. It is Velocipedo vehicle. It is having our battery pack. This is the new concept which is emerging in India. In addition to that, we have other partners whom we have partnered with this 3-wheeler. This is the new concept of offering fast charging. These fast charging will definitely help the vehicle industry to get the vehicle charged within 30 to 35 minutes. Idea is to get it fully charged within 30 to 35 minutes, and it is ideal for them to take this vehicle on the road for wherein they can find EV charging stations through our app. We also have an app which locates the nearest charger, and we can charge these vehicles on the way. Thank you.